Yes.
Sir, ano pong meron na po ba kayo na nabubuong boto for charter change?
Ako, from the very beginning, ang aking position talaga is open ako for charter change only on economic provisions. But as to the manner how it is going to be deliberated upon and voted upon is another question lingering my mind. Pero kung it has to be voted separately, no problem with me with the economic provisions. It should be voted upon separately by both houses of Congress.
Sir, pwede mag-add?
Yes.
Other issue lang po. It's necessary to go to the bill. I understand meron na access committee ni Senator Lisa. But kayo po ba as Senator, do you support yung Senate having specifically on your citizenship? Especially
Pakiulit. Please, sorry.
Si PBBM po sabi niya it's necessary to go Mayor Alice Buo.
Mayor?
Alice Buo,
Okay.
Gabamban Tarlac.
Okay.
Sa Senate po ba, are we keen on looking into her citizenship specifically, especially that she is an elected official?
Well, I leave it up to the chairman of the committee investigating such case, no? So kung anong decision ng chairman, I am supporting her.
Sir, on Monday po, yun na po ba ang last hearing doon sa PDEA?
Most likely, once the two absent resource persons that were invited during the last hearing will appear on Monday, then maybe matatapos na natin and we can wrap up our investigation and we'll be ready for our committee report.
So ano pong ina-expect nyo sa Monday?
I expect them to be present. I hope they will come and shed light on their involvement in this issue.
Sir, kung sakaling hindi sila magpunta, itutuloy niyo pa po ba yung hearing on another day or tatapusin niyo na rin yung investigation? Kasi nga po, parang meron ng criticism against the way the hearing has unfolded and parang natatakot mo mga concerns na parang kung saan na napupunta. Kahit dun sa mga topics na hindi na germane dun sa hearing.
Well, I would like to stress the point that yung mga sinasabi nilang points na hindi germane to the issue, I should call out my colleagues, especially my colleagues. I don't care about other people, other institutions questioning the continuation of my investigation. I'm just calling out my colleagues that please, being the chairman of this committee, give me the prerogative when to stop and how to invite. That's all I'm asking them. Please leave that discretion to the chairman of the committee because most of us, we are all chairman of our respective committees. And I respect their leadership in their committee. Hindi ko sila pinapakialaman. Sana rin, respetuhin rin nila yung aking prerogative and my discretion as to handling this committee hearing. Yun lang pakiusap ko sa kanila. I'm sure I'm trying my best na hindi mapapahiya ang institusyon ng Senado sa aking ginagawang hearing.
Sir, last question from my end. Sino po yung nasa Facebook? Sino yung tinutukan nyo sa Facebook post yung sa...
I will tell you his name in due time.
Sir, ba't ito?
Ha?
Ba't tinakayo?
In due time lang, I still have some considerations. Meron lang akong... I will name him. Okay.